Hello everyone, in this tutorial video I'm going to show you how to resize photo and signature for any online application form using your Android smartphone. So let's begin. Go to the Play Store and search for the application named as Picture Editor. So this is the application named as Picture Editor. Install this application first. Once installation is done, open it. Now here new text, it is showing to type any text here, so we don't need text right now. So tap on this new text, and to delete the text area just tap on this delete icon and press OK. Now go to these three dots, tap on image size. Now here see the image dimension that is specified in the website that you are going to upload the image. So here in my application form it is given as 200 into 230 pixel for photo, and for signature also it is given. So let's input this picture dimension into the picture editor application. Here just type 200 and 230, tap OK. Now we don't need the background color. For that just tap on this icon and set as transparent. Now again go to or tap on this plus icon and tap here from gallery. Now select the photo, tap OK. Now adjust the photo or the image and fill this canvas area. Once your adjustment is done, now simply tap on this save icon and save as image, tap there. Now there, here you don't need to do anything, just change the format as JPG, and don't need to change the dimension. Tap on save to gallery, and now the image has been saved into my gallery. Now let's check it. Let's see the dimension. So you can see here the image has been resized into the dimension that is given in the website. You can see here 200 into 230 pixels with 18.19 KB. So this is how you can easily resize any photo and signature or any image using picture editor applications in your Android smartphone.